This is problem number 10 from section 3.1. It says the table below shows the heart rate of an athlete upon stopping a moderate activity. As you can see, the heart rate immediately after stopping is 122, after 1 minute, 112, 2 minutes, 106, 3 minutes, 104. Model the data with h of t, being the heart rate, equal to vertex form. Use the lowest data point for the vertex. What is the domain of h? So this is the lowest data point, right? Because the heart rate's the smallest there. So they want us to start out by using this as the vertex. So we're going to say the vertex is 3, 104. So for part A, our equation is going to start by saying h of t equals a t minus 3 squared plus 104. Here's the problem. We don't have a. So we can find a by using another data point. I'm going to use 0 and 122 to find this other data point. So let's go ahead and plug in 122 for the heart rate, 0 for t, and we'll find a, so we actually have an equation. So we have 122 equals a, 0 minus 3 squared plus 104. Solve for a, subtract the 104 over, you get 18 equals a times 0 minus 3 is negative 3, squared is 9. Now my a and my 9 kind of look the same. We're going to make sure that is a little longer there. Divide by 9 on each side, and we get 2 equals a. So the equation for part A is h of t equals 2 t minus 3 squared plus 104. Okay, that's the equation in vertex form. The domain of this equation, well, the domain is what's in the chart. Domain is the value 0 to 3, right? Time 0 to time 3, don't need anything before or after that. So 0 to 3 is our domain in part A. Now part B, approximate the athlete's heart rate for time 2.5 seconds. So let's take that equation, equals 2, we're going to plug in 2.5 minus 3 squared plus 104. Now I'm going to show you how to do this again in the calculator because I think it's important that we practice. So we're going to go ahead and take the time, which we said 2.5. So we're going to say 2.5, and we're going to store it as x. And then we're just going to take our equation that we came up with, which our equation's right there, and we're going to plug it in. So 2 parentheses x, I'm going to put it over here, x minus 3 squared plus 104, hit the enter button, tells me 104.5 beats. So heart rate of 104.5 beats. And that's at 2.5 seconds. So not 2.5 seconds, at 2.5 minutes. Because in the problem they said 2.5 minutes. Hope that makes sense.